Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host as always, but today we are here at the Bellagio in Las Vegas doing a quick walkthrough video for you guys. So this casino and resort was heavily requested as well as Caesars. So that's why we're here. We're kind of doing the center strip of the strip walk tours here in July of 2019. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos to come. But we will take you through a quick walking tour of the Bellagio. So up over to the right is a little place to grab a bite to eat. There is also a counter bar in front as well. And over to the right is where their sports book is, and directly ahead of us is going to be the poker room here at the Bellagio. At a large casino floor up on my left-hand side here. And up over here on my right is going to be the O Theater. So if you're going to one of the Cirque du Soleil shows, you can get your tickets here, and this is where the theater would be as well. We're going to be coming up on the buffet here as well, and guest elevators are over here on the right in Bellagio as well. Over on the left is going to be some higher limit gaming. I was playing some $9 spin Cleopatra when I hit 4 of the gold straight up and down bars. I hit 4 of them, but it wasn't on a line. If I would have been playing $20 a spin, it would have been a line, and it would have been a $1,000 hit. So that kind of sucks, but oh well. Over to the right is going to be the buffet here at the Bellagio. And if you hold Pearl on up through the M Life card, you can actually skip the line at the buffet here. So that is kind of cool. Then on this video, we're going to be headed down to Aria. So we're going to catch the monorail and head down towards the Aria area. They also have the Fine Art Gallery here as well at Bellagio, and that's going to be over to the right where your guest towers are going to be, right over to this entranceway over here. We're going to take you to the left here, and this will take you down to the casino for some of the center part of it anyway. So we'll kind of walk in the center part of the casino floor here for you, and then take you over to the hotel lobby and the Botanical Gardens here. So always a sight to see with all the stuff that they do. They have like flower statues this time, and they're actually pretty awesome to see. So if you guys were wondering, most of the tables, I think the minimums here are 15 or 25. I haven't seen any $10 minimums at Bellagio, but this is more of a higher end resort anyway, so wouldn't expect to see your minimums below 15 or 25 here, and I haven't. You can also bet minimums up to 100 here, from what I've seen without being in the high limit lounge. Over on my left, there's $100 roulette table. But last night was Friday night when we got in here. There was a guy that was over on these Dragon Links that are coming up over to the right that hit $5,600, so that was pretty sweet to see. And I myself almost hit $5,600 on Megabucks. I had the 24 karat in the first reel, 24 karat in the second reel, and I missed the 24 karat on the last reel by 1. But if it would have fell down, it would have been $5,600 for me as well, which would have been pretty sweet. There's some more table games here. We got 3-card poker, Pai Gow, Ultimate Texas Hold'em, 3-bet blackjack, high card flush. There's all sorts of games here for you to play. It's a busy Saturday afternoon. So today is July the 20th, if you're wondering on the record date. It is about 2:52 in the afternoon. So we're going to be doing some night filming here as well, but I wanted to do some of these walkthroughs and get them out of the way so we could focus our filming on doing some of the night strip walks and some of the things like that. So right here is hotel check-in. So if you hold a gold, platinum, or noir, you can skip that long line and go through fairly quickly. Now, coming straight ahead, it's going to be the Botanical Gardens, as well as some shops and things like that. There's an essential shop that's up here, an ice cream shop as well, and then this will be the way that will take you to the monorail. So if you're trying to go to Aria or Park MGM, you can do that on this monorail. It is free to do. But the Aria extension will drop you off in the Crystal shop, so you know that's what the monorail does. There's one that's an express that takes you straight from Bellagio to Park MGM, and then there's one that stops at the Crystal shop extension so you can get off at Aria. But right now we're going to walk through the Botanical Gardens. Pretty crazy because the swans, they actually move. Like the necks move, the wings move, and all sorts of stuff. But there's all these flowers. It smells absolutely delicious in here because they use the Asian garden scent that MGM and Luxor use. So if you're wondering what that scent is in the Botanical Gardens, that's what it is. Otherwise, they use, I think it's called Diamond Ice or something like that. Check out aromaretail.com. They'll have those scents for you guys if you guys want to check that out. Remember to use the discount code PortraitVlogs to get percentage off, things like 10% off or something like that. But Christina, she's good. She's a local, so she'll definitely help you out with that. If you want any of the scents of these casinos here in the fabulous city of Las Vegas. But we'll work our way out of the Botanical Gardens. Now you see why I don't like to come on the weekend and like to do these filmings Sunday through Thursday. But, oh well. Make our way back here. This will take you back to the monorail, as well as I think the conference shops are back here as well. And the FedEx shipping center is down this way too. This ice cream shop that I was talking about is up over on my right. The essential shop is up over on my left. And if you look out the windows here, you can see the pool at the Bellagio. Which unfortunately I can't partake because I got a fresh tattoo done, so I can't be swimming or in direct sunlight with it until it gets healed. So kind of limited on that, but oh well. So guys, don't forget that this Bellagio was opened up in October on the 15th in 1998. When it opened, it had 3,950 rooms and a build cost of $1.6 billion. Now, mind you, that was in 1998, guys. The most famous attraction here is the fountains, with an estimated build cost of over $40 million just for the fountains. We'll keep making our way down to the Monorail Station here. And keep in mind, this one's free, and so is the one from Excalibur to Mandalay Bay that stops at Luxor as well. So that one is free and this one is free. The one on the other side of the strip on the eastern side would be the one that you have to pay for, but that one runs from MGM all the way up to Westgate and SLS. So the convention center is up here as well. Some of the wedding chapels and things like that. The business service center, like I said, FedEx shipping is up here. I know that because I've had to ship some things home.
What'd you do to that girl? I just started running. Nothing. It's like, woo!
Elevators right there as well. If you keep going up over here, this is going to be the way to get to the trams. But anyway, guys, we are almost here to the tram. So I think that's where we will leave off with this Bellagio walkthrough video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you did, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Be sure to like this video as well, share it with your friends and family. Help this channel grow. My like goal on this one is going to be 600 with 60,000 views is the goal for this video. So make sure you share this, get the word out there, get this video liked, get this video viewed by all your friends and family, and help this channel grow. This channel grows because of viewers just like you, so thank you for taking all your time out of your day to watch these videos, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. As always, my name is Ryan. Until next time.